Hello, how are you? My name is Tolulope Oladipo. I'm making this presentation on acceptable use policy, especially Bowie State, specifically Bowie State acceptable use policy. Acceptable use policy, also known as responsible use policy, states the acceptable use of computer equipment, on the equipment or the internet network of organization, school system, or department, how to use them efficiently with security, reliability, and safety in mind. So generally, features of acceptable overview of acceptable use policy, they are written, they are binding contracts, and generally acceptable use policies should state on the liabilities, the sanctions to any breach of the terms of the contract. So why do school system need to have AUP? These are some of the reasons, like I mentioned, for security, safety, reliability, education, just to conscientize the users like student, parents, and to protect the institution from inappropriate use as well, to protect them from lawsuits, and also to provide information to users. So for Bowie State on AUP, generally Bowie State AUP, here is it is available on Bowie website. When you go to Bowie website, just type AUP and you can find the AUP. So this is the AUP. It has the policy, the applicability, and the rest. And these are other policies that you can get on Bowie website. And the regulatory authority for Bowie State AUP is the University System of Maryland. So communication, this has to do with how AUP or acceptable use can be communicated to users. So it can be communicated town hall meeting, regular periodic town hall meeting, updating the website, having students have a portfolio, and students and teachers having assignment or discussion on ethical issues of computer. Parents, teacher, or parent and student having to do projects on ethical or safety issues of computer. Let's look at tips for teachers to implement AUP. They should work with IT departments and have students sign AUP agreements, have students read the AUP, give quizzes on AUP. And I also have tips for teachers again on what teachers can do in their classroom. They can read the AUP, have students read it in group, and they too should follow the dictates of AUP, create discussions on the AUP, and discuss the need for safety and privacy, as well as the dangers of inappropriate use of AUP. And I have this tip for students as well. For students, also do their homework on AUP, read AUP, and for further readings, these are references that you can read on. And the next is to critique the AUP. And thank you for your time. Any question, you email it to toladipo, tolu.oladipo. Bye.